Chibi Zhilixing Electronic Technology Corporation Limited was founded in 2007. Our factory has 5 individually classified departments to improve the production efficiency. Since its inception, Chibi Zhilixing Electronic has been committed to research and development of computer peripheral cables, connectors, network communication products, mobile data lines, USB series and other products. Professional production of high-end HDMI high-definition line. It is a collection of HDMI high-definition series of products. Product research and development. Design. Sales as one of the professional factory. Its core staff from the HDMI high-definition industry, more than 10 years of professional team.